What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. Today we've got something really cool from my friends over at Boost Auto Parts, and I've been waiting on this for quite some time, and I know a lot of you guys have been waiting on it too, because you could see it on their website for pretty much all the other body styles of trucks. And this is something for the OBS that a lot of people have been asking for. I personally get a lot of DMs about it myself, and all I've been able to say is just wait, a month or two, and the product will be announced and it will be released. So it's really, really cool, and it's a nice little touch, a nice little upgrade and update to these old trucks. As you guys know, Boost Auto Parts is the leading manufacturer of tow mirrors and tow mirror parts to retrofit to your older generation Chevrolet and GMC pickups. They've got a bunch of different products, from the switchback lights, mirror caps, pretty much everything you can think of, and they've got a brand new line of stuff for the Ford Super Duty, the Dodge Ram, and also the Toyota Tundra pickups. I have been using Boost Auto Parts products on my truck for several years now. Actually had the opportunity to be in their booth at Lifted Truck Nationals last year, which was absolutely cool. And I've actually been up there and seen their facility and met the team, and everybody is just very awesome up there. So huge shout out to Boost Auto Parts for sponsoring today's video. Now, since I know most of you guys that watch my channel own an OBS pickup, and there's one thing that Boost Auto Parts has made for the newer body style trucks that they have not released yet for the OBS Chevy. Many people have messaged me about it. Many people have messaged Boost Auto Parts about it, and this is finally become a reality for these trucks. A nice little upgrade, very inexpensive, and it adds some class. It really does. It adds some class to your truck. And those of you guys who have these trucks, you know that they come in manual locks or keyless entry. You've got that old little remote to unlock your doors. And a lot of people's key fobs are just old, they look junky, and just let's be honest here, you're tired of going to the auto parts store and buying a new case every time you need to fix your buttons or to make your remote look new again. And this is the style that I'm talking about right here. This is the factory style key fob that you get in the GMT 400, the Chevy Silverados, the GMC Sierras, the Yukons. Anything with a keyless entry had this style of remote. If you guys have any remotes like mine, then you will have missing letters. Your buttons are going to be kind of squishy, and overall it's just kind of beat up, and you could tell it's got a lot of wear and tear. And you see that Boost Auto Parts on their website, they've got the brand new style key fobs you could upgrade for all the other body styles of trucks. And today is the first day that I could say we've got the brand new style key fob upgrade for the OBS trucks. If you guys don't know what I'm talking about, this guy right here, the 2015 style key fob that they previously had just for the 1999 to 2014 trucks, and now we finally have one for the OBS Chevy for the 1993 to 1996, as well as the 1997 to 1999. Believe it or not, when they develop these key fobs, they actually have to kind of program them and code them to match the numbers that you'll find on the back of your remote, which I will throw an image right here so you can see it closer. But the different year ranges have a different ID for their remotes, which is called the FCC ID. And in order to get the matching key fob from Boost Auto Parts to work with your specific vehicle, you have to know that FCC ID. So make sure you look at the back of your remote before going on to the website and ordering the key fob. Now, since this video pertains specifically to the 1997 to 1999 truck, you want to look for the number AB01502T as the last several digits of the number on the back of your key fob. All that information will be on the Boost Auto Parts website as well, just in case you forget what numbers to look for. And like I said, on the back of the key fob you will find, now at the time you're seeing this video, the key fobs should be live on Boost Auto Parts website to purchase. We will have two different options to look at. We'll have the 1993 to 96, and we'll have the 1997 to 99. Make sure, like I was just saying, with the FCC ID that you look on the back of your remote and figure out which one you need in order to match up with your truck. Let's go take a look at the key fob, and then we're going to go over how to install it and how to program it to your truck. Here's a side-by-side look at the brand new style key fob versus the old school style key fob. And to some people this might not be an upgrade that you think is completely, absolutely necessary. But once you throw this on your keychain, it looks so much better than the old beat-up style that came with your truck. And everything is just so nice. You've got the lock button and the unlock button. Everything's nice and stiff. We've got the nice chrome accents on it. We've got the Boost Auto Parts logo on the back. And it's just a nice, sturdy piece of plastic, and it feels really good and really high-end in your hand compared to the little flimsy plastic key fob that originally came with your truck. Now, some of you guys may have power locks in your truck, which usually will mean that you have keyless entry, and maybe you just never had the key fob for it, and you never wanted to go spend the $75 to get a new key fob. I can tell you that back when I got my truck, I did not have the key fob for it, and I had to get just the stock style key fob, and it's just a world of difference being able to unlock your doors without having to use the key. You're probably going to ask, how do I know if I've got factory keyless entry? If you are unsure and you've never had a fob before, and you don't want to go to the trouble of taking it to GM or somebody to run the VIN and see, you could actually open up your glove box, and on the very bottom of the glove box door, there's going to be a sticker with all of your RPO codes on it. And for some strange reason, my truck does not actually have a sticker in the glove box. I do have all of the RPO codes on a printout here that actually came with the truck. So I've got all my specs here, all my little options, and the one you're going to be looking for is going to be the code AU0, and AU0 is going to be remote keyless entry for your truck. So here's Boost Auto Parts website with their key fob, and I will have a link in the description that takes you directly to this page you could use to go and purchase your remote. And we've got all the options for the different model years of trucks. At the very top, we've got 1993 to 96 with your FCC ID, and 1997 to 99, and you can see the two different IDs equal a different part. So make sure you figure out which one you have by looking on the back of your old key fob. Is we're actually going to program the brand new key fob to the truck, that way we can use it to unlock our doors. The procedure is actually really simple. The only thing that you're going to need is you're going to need to locate your OBD2 port, and you're actually going to need a paper clip to help you out. So we've got our paper clip here, and all you have to do is just kind of unfold the paper clip and bend it into this little U shape, because we're actually going to use that to stick it into the pinholes of our port in order to actually program our key fob. Now what we're going to want to do is we're going to want to locate pinhole number 8, which is at the very end, and then pinhole number 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So we've got 4 right here and 8 on the other side at the very end. And what you're going to do is you're going to take your paper clip and we're going to stick it into these holes and kind of jump these together. And as you heard right there, the doors locked and unlocked, and that tells us we are going to be in programming mode. So once you hear the audible unlocking and locking of the truck, that means you're in programming mode. You're ready to take your remote and start programming that to your truck. Now what you're going to want to do is hold the unlock and lock buttons down together for 10 to 15 seconds, and you should hear the doors cycle through again. After you hear the clicking of the doors, you can remove your little wire, and now you should have a fully functioning keyless entry remote. And guys, that right there is all it takes to program a brand new Boost Auto Parts retrofit remote to your 1997 to 1999 Silverado. Now, if you have additional key fobs, or you want to purchase more than one key fob and program them to your truck, you can do so. All you have to do is, within 1 minute of programming the first key fob, do the same exact thing on the next couple of key fobs, and they will all be programmed to your truck, and you'll be good to go. So that's a super simple, very, very inexpensive, very easy to do upgrade to your OBS Chevy, and it just really makes your keychain or your lanyard or whatever just look a whole lot better with the new style key fob. And I highly recommend it. Very good quality, very nice build, feels good in the hands, looks good on your keychain, and works very well with your truck. As I said before, these should be on Boost Auto Parts website by the time you guys are seeing this video, and in the description will be a special link that takes you directly to the page to buy yourself a key fob. So do yourself a favor, pick up one of these from Boost Auto Parts. Don't forget, we are doing the Boost Auto Parts tow mirror giveaway once we hit 10,000 subscribers on this channel. Cannot wait to do that giveaway, so be sure you give this video a thumbs up. If we can get this video to 100 likes, I will see if we can give away a key fob to one of you guys. So, I don't know if it's possible, but all we could do is smash that like button until we get 100 likes, and one of you guys might win a brand new Boost Auto Parts retrofit key fob. So thank you all so much for watching, and we will see you all in the next video.